Namaskar, dear children. So today our next topic of our chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Yesterday we had discussed about the homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, solute particles, solvent particles. When solute and solvent mix together, it will form a solution. And how many type of solution? Aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution. And we had discussed about the solution also. So we had taken the example also of which type of solution is a homogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution is a solution which have a uniform composition, and we cannot see by the naked eye. That is the homogeneous solution. And but what is the heterogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous solution is a solution which cannot be completely mixed together, and we can see by the naked eyes also, right? So here today our topic is suspension. It is a little bit different comparison to solution. This is the suspension. A very simple example of the suspension solution, when we are taken a water and mix a chalk into a water. जब हमने chalk को water में mix किया है तो जो solution हमारा prepare होगा, that is the suspension. And more example of the suspension is chalk water mixture, fluorine water mixture. फ्लोर जो होता है हमारे घर में जो यूज करते हैं, फ्लोर को वाटर में मिक्स करना, that is the also example of the suspension. So first of all, it's very important to learn the definition of the suspension. What is the definition of the suspension? A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Everyone knows about the heterogeneous mixture, which are not completely mixed together. Heterogeneous mixture in which the small particles of solid are spread throughout a liquid without dissolving in it. It's a simple definition of the suspension solution. Solid particles are spread out in a liquid without dissolving in it. They cannot be dissolved in it. And the example is chalk water and fluorine water. The suspended particles are moving in water. They are not completely dissolved in a liquid. So here are some properties of suspension. We are taking one by one. First is a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. As in definition we had learn about the suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. It's a very important properties of the suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Second, the size of a solute. What is the solute? Yesterday we had discussed. What do you mean by solute? A solute which we dissolve in a solvent. जो हम solvent में dissolve कर रहे हैं, this is the solute. So the size of particles are larger होती है, quite larger होती है in comparison. जब हम solid solution की बात करते हैं, it's very small. We are not able to see that. But in solid particles, larger 100 nm in diameter. It's quite larger comparison to a solution. We can see we are taking a one beaker, water in it, and mix a chalk in it. Mix a chalk. You can see this is the water and this is the chalk particles in it. It is moving here and moving in the liquid solution. They are not completely dissolved. So first property, this is the heterogeneous mixture because it is not completely dissolved. Second is the size of solid particle, larger 100 nanometer in a diameter. The particles of suspension can be seen by easily. We can see by easily because it is a suspended particle. So we can see by the easily. It is the suspended particles. So we can see by easily by the suspension. So it's a very important point. It can be seen easily. Second, it is the heterogeneous mixture and the particle is larger, right? Next is the particle, fourth point, the particle of a suspension filter this solution, if you filter the chalk solution, तो through filter paper it cannot be passed. चॉक पाउडर का जो सॉल्यूशन है उन्हें जब हम फिल्टर पेपर से फिल्टर करेंगे, इट नॉट पास्ड थ्रू बाय अ फिल्टर पेपर, सो इट कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय द फिल्ट्रेशन. वी इजीली सेपरेटेड बाय द फिल्ट्रेशन. फिल्टर पेपर से हम इसे इजीली सेपरेटेड कर सकते हैं. we will see in the next experiment also. So pass through the filter paper separated by the filtration. It cannot be passed through by the filter paper. The particles of the suspension cannot be passed through the filter paper, so it can be separated by the filtration. It's a very important word. How can be separated? By suspension. Suspension can be separated by the filtration. Right? Fifth, the suspension are unstable. So you can see this is the unstable. This is not a uniform composition. This is not a stable. This is the unstable. The suspension are the unstable. The particle of a suspension settle down slowly. The particle of a suspension settle down slowly. And next, a suspension scatters a beam of light passing through it. A beam of light, it passed a beam of light because it is have a particle. We can see by the naked eye. So the particle of a suspension scattered a beam of light because it is quite larger in comparison to a solution. It is quite larger. So the particle of a suspension is a quite larger. So I hope you all understood the suspension. It's a very easy. When we mix water in a chalk, the solution form is suspension. First property, it is the heterogeneous mixture and all particles of solid are spread throughout the liquid without dissolving in it. It cannot be completely dissolved. The property first is that is the heterogeneous mixture. The particles of a solute larger, 100 nanometer in a 100 nm in diameter. The particle of suspension can be seen easily. It cannot be passed through the filtration, so it can be separated by the filtration. And the suspension are unstable. The particles for suspension is settled. Now a suspension scattered beam of light passing through it. It is quite larger. It is scattered the beam of light because the particles of the suspension is quite larger. So I hope you all understood this today's topic. So first you everyone note down in your register today's topic suspension. According to solution we have done, suspension we have done. Our next topic is colloid solution. Now I will start the colloid solution. So first you everyone note down this topic.